right. So back on the Galaxie here. Spoke to Brian. He asked me to pull the valve covers. So I already, which saves him a trip over here from his shop. No big deal. That's easy enough. So I have all of our hoses and lines out of the way. Plug wires are off, tucked aside. And there's 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that hold each valve cover on. I'm gonna do the passenger side first, which is cylinders 1 through 4. And we're gonna pull it off, and we're gonna see if we have sticking intake valves, sticking exhaust valves, or loose valve train. So, it's been backfiring through the carb, as everybody has seen. So I actually got hit with exhaust gas through the carb this morning. Fun. So I'm gonna pull this off and we'll see. So I got all our bolts out of the valve cover. Come on out, baby. All right, valve cover is off. Passenger side. I have no, oh. Well, that's suspect. Scotty.
Sir.
In a second, I'm gonna have you just bump the starter on this. Actually, I'll do it with a screwdriver. But number 4 exhaust. I'm gonna bump the motor a little bit and check all of them. But that's the only one doing that right now. Number 2 intake. Number 1 exhaust. There's a little, but it's not to where the rest of those other 2 are. There's 2 intake, and even this one's starting to come up on the lobe, and it still has a little play. 4 exhaust. All right, I went through this side. We definitely have 2 for sure, and 1 that's working its way on its way out. I'm gonna do the driver's side just so we know. Driver's side valve cover's off. Definitely a little bit of play here on number 5 exhaust. Kind of checking my way around here. So far, so good. Let me bump the motor over a little bit. See what else we got. I turned the engine over a bit. Exhaust valve on cylinder 6. Also not happy. Let's see what the bump it over one more time, see what else we get. All right, so it looks like on our driver's side, 5 and 6 exhaust are the only valves that have any action on them. So go from there.